Welcome back to my channel. You're still watching Wrecksz FPV. Well, it's been a while since I uploaded a video here in YouTube. It's because I've been very busy this past few weeks. So you may be wondering why I have this old Ishin EV100 on the table. It's because I finally decided to get myself a new set of goggles. You see, I've been using this Ishin EV100 for a couple of years now, and I think it's time to get an upgrade. So without any further ado, let me show you the new set of goggles that I purchased from Banggood. So let's set this old goggles aside, and this is the package I received earlier from Banggood, and it cost me more than $350. I placed an order last November 20 of 2020, and it just came in earlier today. Alright, so you can see I haven't opened this package yet. So let's start opening this package now. I'm really excited to see the packaging of this new set of goggles. It's actually a Fatshark goggles, and this is the latest model that they have come up. Right, so it's wrapped with bubble wrap. Alright, let me get this handy tool. So this is the new packaging of the Fatshark Attitude V6. So this is their latest model. It came after the Fatshark HD02, which has the OLED display. So this is a very nice packaging. You'll see the image of what's inside, and at the back you'll see the bottom part of the goggles and the summary of the specification of the goggles. So let's open this one up. Alright, so in the box is the Fatshark goggle case. Alright, so you get this. I guess you can just scan this and get the manual online. You get a Fatshark sticker and a cleaning cloth. for your LCD or for the display. Now let's open up the casing. Alright, so that's your Attitude V6 goggles. Comes with the Fatshark battery case. So it doesn't come with batteries, but it uses two 18650 batteries. It also comes with this balance plug. And you get two patch antennas. Right. So the patch antenna connectors comes in an angle so that it points towards where you're looking at. Alright. Yo. It also comes with a spare faceplate foams. So the texture of this foam is like leather, but don't think this is a real leather, but it's soft, so I guess it's going to be comfortable on your face. And this is the actual goggles. You see, I noticed that it comes with an internal receiver, so that means out of the box you can already use it. That's your OLED screen for your receiver. And surprisingly, the adjustments at the bottom is not like the HDO2, which has two toggles at the bottom, one for your IPD adjustment and the other one is for the focus adjustment. This one, I think you can just move it left and right for your interpupillary adjustment, and then you can just okay. So the circular button is for your focus adjustment, so it moves the lens closer or further from your eyes to set the focus. So the IPD adjustment, this one, so as you can see, it's moving from left to right, so it moves 54 to 74 millimeters, and then the focus adjustment is from +2 to -6. So if your eyes or if your prescription is within the range, well, this one will suit your eyes. Alright, so the strap is just a regular Fatshark strap, but I think it will hold up. And also the field of view on this goggles is 39 degrees. That's one of the reasons I upgraded from the Asian AV100 to the Fatshark goggles. The field of view on this old goggles is only 28 degrees. So the view on the Fatshark Attitude V6 will be much bigger compared to my old goggles. Right, but I'm not gonna do a comparison right now since I haven't tried this new goggles yet, but I'll be doing another video, a separate video for the comparison of the EV or Asian AV100 goggles and the Fatshark Attitude V6. On my Asian AV100, I'm using the Furious FPV patch antenna and an Omway clover antenna. Well, this one served me well, but since I've been using this for a couple of years now, well, I decided to get myself a new one. And when I saw this on Banggood, I immediately ordered one, but it took almost 2.5 months to be delivered, but it's worth the wait. The quality of this one is really good compared to the old goggles. And of course, when you say Fatshark, it means real goggles. Alright, so I'll be trying this one out first, and then I will do a comparison between the Asian AV100 and this one, since that is the only goggles I have before I got this Fatshark goggles. So let me try to fit this antenna. This is the patch antenna that came with these goggles. Alright. Right. So the reason that the antenna connector is angled like this is that so that after connecting your patch antenna to your goggles, it will be pointed towards the direction you're looking at. Alright. Same goes with the other one. Alright. I'm really excited to test this one out and see how it will help me in flying my drones, quadcopters. Well, this one uses another technology, not the LCD, not the OLED, but they call it LCOS, or liquid crystal on silicon. It also comes with a power switch at the bottom, but based on the website, it's still in legacy mode, wherein it automatically turns on whenever you plug in the battery. But there is a way where you can turn this power switch to a real power switch by moving the jumper from the inner connectors to the outer connectors. I'll be showing that to you as well on my next video when I compare these two goggles. Alright, so I guess that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you like this one, and you'll be seeing more of me using these goggles. This will be my daily driver for now, and let's see if I'll be satisfied using this one compared to the old one. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace.
It's a 16 buff in the dark.